Today I would like to share you how to download the wallpaper for iOS 18. With iOS 18, you can see Apple introduced a new feature where you can put a wallpaper like this. Now let me show you how to download a ton of more wallpaper for your lock screen. So what you're gonna do is to go into the App Store. Then you're gonna download this app called Wallpaper Central. It is completely free on the App Store. Now let me open this real quick. Now what you're gonna do to find iOS 18 dev wallpaper, you're gonna click on collection here at the bottom right. Click on that button. Then you're gonna find iOS 18 dev effect wallpaper. Just go ahead and select on it. And then you're gonna find a ton more here. It is very awesome, and you can put it on your iPhone lock screen. So let me go ahead and try this one. So I can go ahead and select on it, and we have the this where you can view. Just tap on it, it's gonna view for your lock screen how it look like after you set it. So now let's try this one, and let me go ahead and view it first. So it look very awesome and amazing. So now what you're gonna do is to download it. Click on this download button. It's gonna save into your iPhone camera roll. Now let me go back to photo here, and I can go ahead and click on the share button. Then you're gonna find use as a wallpaper, and you can set it on your lock screen just like that. And you can zoom in or zoom out depending on how you like and how you like it to be appear. Now click on this done button and then set, and you can see it look very awesome on my iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.